about and waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the Lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the Lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the Lamb, you know, Lamb, you know, Lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the Lamb, you know, the teacher did reply. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. When the blazing sun is gone, when he nothing shines upon, then you show your little light. Twinkle, twinkle all the night. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle.
1 apple, 2 apples falling from the tree. A is for the apple, tasty and shiny to see. 3 apples, 4 apples rolling on the floor. B is for the bubble floating out the door. Count the apples as they fall. 1, 2, 3, 4, all in all. Sing the letters loud and clear. The alphabet is drawing near. 5 apples, 6 apples stacked up in a pile. C is for the cat who watches with a smile. 7 apples, 8 apples, colors red and green. D is for the hat sitting tall on the scene. Count the apples